So today I am doing this makeup look. It's just pretty natural, everyday makeup. Yeah, so if you guys want to see this, blushing rosy. I'm wearing makeup, but I'm not wearing makeup look. But I am wearing makeup. Then keep on watching, girl, because I got you. So let's get this party started, yo. Oh, I do want to take my shoes off. I just got home from work and yo girl dead inside a little bit. Okay, let's do this. So first of all, I'm gonna start out with priming my face. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this Prestige mattifying stick. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm taking my MAC paint pot in Painterly. Oh, the reason I use this is because I have pretty oily lids and my look will just smear all the way. Ladies, if you know, you know. I'm taking this Glotion by L'Oreal, and this is in the Sheknet to Lightest shade. It's just kind of like a champagne-y look. Putting around my high points or whatever. And I'm taking my NARS foundation in Mont Blanc. And I don't need that much coverage right now. My skin's looking better than it has in a minute. So I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. Oh, this is just a Murad moisturizer that I got in an Ipsy bag. You know, your girl not spending that much on moisturizer unless it's Clinique. I'll pay that much for Clinique because we stan. Then I'm taking a pump of this. Okay, then I'm gonna mix it with my finger. Make sure your hands is clean, or else you just asking for it. You just asking for it. Me thinking if my hands are clean. Yeah, they are. I'm taking a brush for this because I want it to be more coverage than a beauty blender because it's already a tinted moisturizer, if you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna put my concealer on. So just know I stan the Bye Bye Under Eye stan. Because she's there for me like nobody else is. I'm just pressing her onto there, you feel me? Press onto the high points. Press, 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 press. Now, I am taking my beauty blender to blend this in. Normally, I'm too effing lazy to wet this, so I just use my fingers, but my ring finger, I should say. But today, you know, I ran into the bathroom and wet this, you know, while we're trying to race the sun or whatever. And then also I'm just taking this and running it over to get a more airbrushed effect. So I'm taking this cloud paint in Beam. It's like the coral color. And then I got this in a Glam Ipsy bag. Sorry, my bad. If you're an OG like me or whatever. Pushing a little bit of that out. She pink as shit. Hot pink coral. Blending her together. My little concoction. My little concoction. Now she like a bubble gum. Cause I feel like going blushy today, okay? Why y'all gotta always be asking me? Also, blend over the nose like you get a sunburn. Sunburn. And smack yourself. Just kidding, but really though. Take this. It's a Fit Me foundation stick. This is the Shine Free and Balance for combo skin. Barely there, but we taking this brush and we're gonna tan ourselves, you know, just a little bit so we don't look one-dimensional anymore. Just like where the sun, you know, gets you, whatever. Temples and shit. Then if you make this face, you can see the cheekbone. So that's what we're doing it. You just want to blend upward motions because you don't want to drag the cheekbone down. You want to pull it up. Am I right? Am I right? You're right. I know it. Just carry it on the jawline to find that jawline so you don't look like you've got a double chin. Now I'm going to take a littler brush, and contour my nose. My nose. Hello? But I'm just going to dab a little bit off because I don't want like a ton of product. And then you can see I'm doing it on my shadow and trying to do a straight line so I don't make my nose look all crooked. And I like to bring it up in the shadow of my eye sockets because I think it makes me look more sultry. You know, like mysterious. And then I kind of like to contour, well, I definitely like to contour the tip. And then I like to bring it across a little bit and just make sure it's blended again with a beauty blender. I'm also gonna do it right here and a little bit under my lip. Also, I'm taking some under my eye. So I like to do the soap brow. If y'all ain't never heard of it, you need to. So I take my facial spray by Mario Badescu, spray it into the soap, got a little spoolie, and I just do a little spray, just a little bit, and I rub my spoolie in her. And then I like to go in and pull up the brows. If y'all can see that, kind of just acting like a wax. Sorry if you can hear my dogs barking. Do it how you like it. I like it up like this. Now I'm gonna take this little angle and the darkest one and take a little bit, and then I like to squeeze it small light, and then I line underneath, and then I just drag it up. And I find that this gives me the most natural look. And then I'm gonna set my face. I use this matte and poreless powder from Maybelline. It's like Fit Me. And I just use this thing and set my under eyes. So I get oily, like really oily. So that's why we're setting this. Taking the butter bronzer. Bronzing myself. And then I'm taking, I just got this in my Ipsy bag. Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. Looks like this. It's really pretty. Then I'm also gonna take this actually and put it on my brow bone. Oh, I'm putting it on my lid too. It's really nice color. I stand. So now I'm taking this palette by Smashbox and I'm gonna do this first trio. And I'm just gonna take the like mauve color. We just want defined and cute. That's the look we go for. Cool. Now I'm taking a little shader brush. I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna line like an eyeliner. So what I find easy is to tap it like this. And then so like only one side has it. And then tilt it like that way. And just get right by your lash. Right by your lashes, and then just pull like a natural up. I don't know if I'm horrible at this or if y'all are gonna get this, but and I look down and it's kind of like a different line, but you know, it's okay. So this is the finished eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. Oh, and also this is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I stan this mascara. Stan. This is also the waterproof. All other mascaras that I have had got in my glam bag, I threw away because fuck that shit. Sorry, not really though. This is the only stuff that keeps my eyelashes curled, looking fleeky all day. So I take the extra time to take it off at night. Also, I use my space heater to warm up my eyelash curler. It just works as like a curling iron kind of. So I did my mascara. And now I'm using a Q-tip to wipe the foundation off my mouth. And then I'm just gonna take a lip stain. And a bit more blush. This little brush and this ColourPop brown gel eyeliner. And I'm taking this and just kind of blending it so that it look more natural. Watermelon Nivea.